5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 28/6/2019 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in application under section 482 number 1697 of 2016, by which the High Court, in exercise of powers under section 482 CRPC, has quashed the entire proceedings of criminal case number 3301 of 2014 under sections 147, 148, 149, 406, 329 and 386 IPC, BS Bara, District Kanpur Nagar, pending in the court of Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, Kanpur Nagar, the original complainant has preferred the present appeal, that the appellant herein filed a complaint before the learned magisterial court under section 156 (3) CRPC against the private respondents for the offences under sections 147, 148, 149, 406, 329 and 386 IPC, that the learned additional chief metropolitan magistrate, Kanpur Nagar, by order dated 6/8/2014, after perusal of the facts mentioned in the application/complaint and documents, and having found a prima facie case of cognizable offences, and having observed that the police is required to investigate the same, allowed the said application under section 156 (3) CRPC, and directed the concerned station house officer to register the first information report and investigate it in accordance with law, that thereafter the concerned SHO registered the FIR as case crime number 0645 of 2015 against the private respondents herein for the offences under sections 147, 148, 149, 406, 329 and 386 IPC, para. As per the allegations in the FIR, 1. Meena Devi was the owner of plot number 1342, that thereafter, after the completion of the investigation and after recording of the statement of the witnesses, statement of the complainant, and after collecting the evidence from the place of incident and taking statement of independent witnesses and even the statement of the accused persons, after due inquiry and having satisfied with a prima facie case is made out against the accused for the offences under sections 147, 148, 149, 406, 329 and 386 IPC, the investigating officer filed charge sheet number 320/2014 dated 25/10/2014 against the private respondents herein for the aforesaid offences, It was the case on behalf of all the accused private respondents herein in the 482 petitions that dispute is of a civil nature, that Meena Devi entered into a registered agreement to sell on 27/10/2019 with Mamta Gupta as Wendy, that Meena Devi undertook to get the land freehold done on the aforesaid plot and thereafter to execute the sale deed in favor of Mahatma Gupta, that part payment was made immediately by check and cash both, and the remaining amount of rupees 10 lakhs were to be paid at the time of execution of the sale deed, By the impugned judgment and order, the High Court had allowed the said application and has quashed the entire criminal proceedings, mainly on the grounds that the original complainant Manish Singh, for all practical purposes, is ranked outsider and stranger to the deal, and therefore the criminal proceedings initiated at his behest cannot continue, that no power of attorney executed by Meena Devi in his favor has been filed with the counter affidavit, and on the ground that the dispute is of a civil nature and civil suits are pending between the parties, इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक दिया हुआ है, जहां पे आपको ये PDF प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा।